The oil rush, the story of America's black gold. What if I told you that one accidental discovery turned a worthless dirty sludge into the most valuable substance on the planet? On August 27, 1859, a former railroad conductor named Edwin Drake drilled a well just 69 feet deep in the quiet forests of Pennsylvania. What happened next changed the world forever. The man received only $2,167 for his discovery. But the people who capitalized on his idea made millions. Some became the richest people on the planet. Others lost absolutely everything. Cities sprang up in days and turned into ghost towns in months. Entire nations became millionaires, then mysteriously disappeared. Today we'll tell you how rock oil, which was considered a curse, became the engine of modern civilization, and about the price humanity paid for this black gold.